Hello, my name is Richard Urango Gloria. I am a student of the Rural and Mining Development Training Center, National Learning Service Center. My teacher is Javier Chaucer Pinzón, grade English Transversal. Family member, name Neighbor Urango, age 32 years old, nationality Colombian, birthday 16 of August 1990, occupation Spanish teacher, free time activities read, write, and play football. He is my brother Neighbor. He is a very reserved and quiet person. He is 32 years old and he is Colombian. He lives in Momil, Córdoba. He likes to write poetry and tales. He is passionate about writing and literature, so he is always reading a book. In his free time, he usually plays soccer, and he is a fan of English soccer, but he also loves Barcelona from Spain. His favorite soccer players are Cristiano Ronaldo and Lionel Messi. Every Wednesday, he attends a literary gathering with a group of young people who are lovers of literature. The collective is called La Garza. As a poet, he has won competition at the regional and national level. Neighbor is also a Spanish teacher, and he helps many students in critical reading and writing texts. He considers himself lucky to be able to help others.